We are trying to figure out the value of x. Clue 1 will not work because if you take a negative number and you raise it to the fourth power, you're going to get some positive number. If you take the same number that you had here but make it positive and raise it to the fourth power, you'll get the same number. For example, if you had, I don't know what the fourth root of 2,401 is, but let's say you had negative 2 to the fourth. That's 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Negative 2 times negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 is positive 16. And you get the same thing if you have positive 2 to the 16th. So we don't know if x is positive or negative. Now, since this is an odd exponent, this will work. We can solve this equation for x, and we're going to get a positive number. Because if you have an odd root, and if you have an odd root, this case, let's say 5, this, let me see, yeah, anytime this is odd, it will always give you a positive number. You don't have to worry about the positive or negative pieces when your exponent is odd. Hope that makes sense.